Si Kuya Eli kasi siya yung may initiative, kumbaga. Gugulat ka na lang yan na nakatayo yan, tapos aalis. Tapos pagbalik, okay na. Nabigyan na ng solusyon yung problema ng operations team.
Ako po si Eli, one of the safety specialists ng One Aviation. Yung Gokong Way Group Hero Award is my first formal recognition for the past 13 years of service. Nakakataba ng puso na ma-recognize kung ano yung nagawa mo sa company. The way I look into something kapag may ginagawa ako ay mas lumalim. Dito naman sa office, syempre tuwa sila na kasama yung One Aviation, no, sa mga na-recognize.
One Aviation is our dedicated sister company ground handler for all domestic operations of Cebu Pacific.
May 2023, nasa safety committee meeting kami. Nag-report yung isang marshal namin na, okay, please take shelter na ha, kasi yellow lightning. And then, 3 minutes, 5 minutes after, nag-red lightning alert. And then pagka-declare nun, biglang maya-maya, may nag-send ng mga photos, videos na may mga nag-tumble down na mga air stairs, AV ramps. Hindi lang iisa, more than 10 yung mga equipment na bumaliktad. And yung iba, lumipad pa palabas ng fence ng airport.
Yung mga equipment, hinahangin, tapos zero visibility. As in, wala kang makikita dun sa mga pictures na sinesend nila. Pero naka-ready na kami. Hindi kasi kami pwedeng gumalaw kapag may lightning alert. And then after nung nilift na yung alert, dumiretso na kami dun sa Terminal 3. Then nakita namin yung mga equipment na tumbahan, no?
The immediate action would be how to recover and how to resume. As part of our business continuity process, we have to get back and assess the situation. So Eli was the first person to be on the ground.
And then sabi sa akin ni Eli, wag ka nang sumama. Dito ka na. Umuwi ka by 6:30. At the same time, sabi niya, ako pupunta ngayon. And then ikaw, kinaumagahan, maaga ka. Late man ako makauwi ngayon, at least alam ko the next day, andyan ka. May magsosuporta pa rin sa operations team natin.
I give the credits to the people na nandoon. Kung ako lang ang mag-isa nandoon, hindi ko kaya yon. Pero with the teamwork, na-recover yung operations dahil sa pagtutulungan. Kasi bakit? Merong mga entrepreneurial mindset of their own yung mga tao.
Alam naman natin yung risk during nung pandemic days. For him, para ma-continue natin yung pagtulong natin sa operations natin, and then magawa natin kung ano yung kailangan natin sa safety ng mga tao natin, ako yung mag-on-site. Basta back-upan nyo lang ako by documents. Siya rin yung lead investigator namin for safety. Siya yung kasama namin na nagre-risk assessment. Siyempre, kapag may nasaktan or may na-damage tayo because hindi po na-risk assessment ng maayos yung mga bagong equipment, bagong procedure, it will be a loss to the company.
Si Sir Eli is deserving na maging hero kasi kahit out of the office na ini-involve niya pa rin yung sarili niya na minomonitor pa rin yung ramp, especially sa ramp kasi doon talaga maraming mga incident na nangyayari. Si Sir Eli is maasahan in terms of any difficulties sa job namin.
Eli possesses the quality of being a proactive person. Eli is also quick enough to spot any issues that may arise, that may result to a safety issue later on. That's an essential quality of being a safety guy or a safety person.
Yung entrepreneurial mindset na ipapakita ko siya, no, sa pagbibigay ng mga ideas para magkaroon ng mas maganda kalabasan yung isang project. Yung bigger picture nung ginagawa namin is magkaroon ng mas safe na environment na kung saan magtatrabaho yung mga tao na papasok sila ng safe, uuwi sila ng buo sa pamilya nila.
If lahat po tayo in Gokong Way Group and especially in One Aviation, if meron tayong entrepreneurial mindset, passion and resilient katulad ni Ellie, I think we have a better future ahead of us in this organization and in this company. Ay, Kuya, thank you. Kasi he always look after me. Alam niya yan.
Sir Ellie, thank you kasi you are our model sa safety. And then, keep it up.
Amare et servire, to love and serve in all things possible. And syempre, pag gagawin mo yung mga bagay na yon, it's always best to practice safety.